In this beginner tutorial, I'll show you how to make a slip knot for crochet. Almost every crochet project begins with a slip knot. To make a slip knot, make a loop with your yarn so that the yarn tail is underneath and the working yarn is on top. Leave about a 4 to 6 inch yarn tail. Insert the crochet hook into the loop and then under the working yarn, and then pull that working yarn back through the loop. Now hold on to the yarn tail and pull on the working yarn to tighten up the slip knot. Now you have a slip knot ready to start your crochet. This does not count as a stitch. Thanks for watching. If you'd like more crochet instruction like this, subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out the links in the video description for more ways you can find me.